Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is October 14, first 11 variant, and question number 11. Topic is the AS level integration. So first of all, we need to, if we look at carefully, we have angle, given angle alpha. Okay, angle alpha. So whenever we have angle between two lines to find, so we have a special formula. So tan theta is equal to gradient 2 minus gradient 1 divided by 1 plus both gradients product. I repeat again, let's say its gradient is, for example, 3, and let's M2 is 3, M1 is, for example, 1. How we can find theta? So let's apply theta, and this tan will go on the other end, tan inverse. And M2 is what? Second gradient. So I'm writing M2 minus M1 divided by 1 of plus sign and the product of both numbers. So 3 times to 1. So simply it will give us the answer, okay? The angle between them. And this angle is called acute angle, but this other angle is not called acute angle. Reason, a very clear reason, because whenever we have this angle, let's say 40 degree, the other is called 140 degree, because add them give you 180 degree. So it means we're looking for acute angle. Acute is a less than 90. So it is very clear sense here, because sometimes students think that he asking for this angle. No, 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 no. He's not asking. He asking for the this smaller angle alpha. So formula is clear. Let's start. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Now, first question in your mindset, from where we get a gradient of the lines. I think you can see clearly lines gradient not given at all. But do you know that whenever we have this curve and point given, for example, 2, and this is called tangent of the point. If I differentiate any equation of curve, and after differentiating, put this x value to there, I will get a gradient. So all of you know derivative is also called gradient. So plan is what? Why 6-mark question? So we have to differentiate one by one. So let's start. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In worksheet question number 80, and I'm going to do this one. So first of all, let's talk about naturally, you know, if line go more steeper like this before more, it has more and more bigger gradient. So we can say the bigger gradient is naturally is here. This is called a bigger gradient, and this has a smaller gradient. Okay, so bigger gradient, it means this tangent, is curve is this one given. So I will differentiate this first, and I will put 2 in the place. So let's start. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. So y is equals to half x squared plus 1, and dy over dx will give us a half as it is. This power 2 comes down and power 1 less, and this becomes 0, cancel. So I got a derivative is x. But at point, what point q? So right here at q, 2 comma 3. So gradient of m2 I give a name is when I put 2 here, so I got a 2. So first gradient I got it. Similarly now, so this line gradient, I repeat, this line gradient I have it. Okay, now I'm going for the this gradient now. For that reason, I will differentiate this equation of curve and I put there, because actually if you look at carefully, this is a curve going like that, and this is a tangent at this point. I hope so understanding. So you can get a clear idea now. So let's start second equation. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Y is equals to 4x plus 1 to power half, and differentiate dy over dx. Power half comes down, power become 1 less, so minus half, base as it is, times to base derivative is 4. So what is derivative? This 2 and 4 cancels, and this negative half goes in denominator. I get this. So after having this one, what is the next plan? I will put, because q, so at q. So I'm writing here at q 2 comma 3. So what is the gradient of m1 is coming? If I put 2 here in the bracket, look, I show you 2 over 4 times 2 8 plus 1 9. 9 root is 3, so it becomes 2 by 3. So I'm writing here 2 by 3, and naturally it's just smaller, and because less steeper as compared to the previous line. And now I'm going to talk about I have 2 gradients, and how to find alpha. The tan alpha is equals to m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus, this is always minus, is always plus, this is a rule, into product of both gradients. So m2 times 2m1. Now I'm going to take tan inverse, and m2 value is 2. So replace 2, and m will value is a 2 by 3. So 1 plus 2 times 2, 2 by 3. So I'm going to type in calculator, and let's see what happens, what answer comes. Okay, so 2 minus 2 divided by 3 divided by 1 plus 4 divided by 3. And answer is coming here. Answer is coming here, alpha 29.7 degree. 1 dp we need always. So this is called acute angle. Alhamdulillah. I hope so. And he said 3SF, sorry. 3SF, luckily it's 3SF also, because I need, and 4 digit I eliminated. So I got a correct to a 3SF. 3SF. Okay. So alhamdulillah, the idea is 100% clear. So student, let's talk about the part number 2. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Because what is criteria when we have a two curves comes together and we need to find the area between two curves? We just see one thing. What is above upper curve? It's called upper curve, and this is called lower curve. And whenever you want for this area, so integration of upper curve minus integration of lower curve. If by mistake you put upper curve here and lower here, wrong places, answer become in a negative signs. Even answer becomes some effect. So better is
Sir,
that.
oh sorry, sir.
Yes, no problem.
Sir,
It
just to be clear, it's the area integration, right?
area, yeah, whenever you integrate it gives you area. Okay, for
Okay.
example this one, so it give you area. So if I integrate upper curve, I will get this full area from curve till x-axis, you see. Okay, I show in a different color, you can understand inshallah. This is a blue area you will get by integrating full. Okay, and but when I need a white area, how we get the below one, let me clear color with a green color. So green color we get by integrating lower curve. And when I integrate and subtract them both, so indirectly, what I am doing from the full area, I'm leaving this down area. So when leaving down area, I will get up this area. So that is a plan of action. So let's start. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. So upper curve is shaded area here. This is called upper curve because above. So SA stand for shaded area. Formula all of you know, x1 down, x2 up, y dx minus x1 down, x2 up, y, here I'm writing y1, y2 just sake of difference. So area, how to get area? Lower, what is the low? Because intersecting at this point, this x is 2, so this is 2, and this is a 0 here. So it means if I integrate this curve, I'll get area from curve till x-axis. For example, from curve, full area, I get it, full area. So that is why is a plan here. So let's start and try to complete a question, 0 to 2 limits. Okay. And this will become here in the y1 place. So 4x plus 1 to power half dx. And again, 0 to 2 limit. And I put this lower limit, lower curve here. Lower curve, below curve, you can say the shaded part. Okay. So I'm going to start now. What is rule of integration? All of you familiar? It is called linear base. Linear base means power of x is 1. When power of x is 1, you can integrate without expanding and have already plus 1, 3 by 2 and 3 by 2. And here in divide, in denominator, the base derivative of the inner part is a 4 because this becomes 0 and this becomes 4. So I can write it here 4 and 0 to 2 limit. And what about this? This we can have as it is. Increase the power by 1. You got x cube by 3 and plus x and limit 0 to 2. So multiplying value never disturb. You know very well. Okay. All right. Here, what to do here? This cancel. This 2 and 4 cancel. So I get 2. I just show you. When I cancel it, I got a 2 here. 3 to the 6. I will bring the 6 outside of the bracket. This make question easier. as much this kind of constants, if you bring outside, like simplify as maximum, question become easy. Here I'm not doing anything, 1 by 6, x to power 3 and plus x, and limit 0 to 2. So I'm here doing right side here. What is technique? Upper limit. So first I put 4 here, and you know that when this 2 comes here, 2 fours are 8, 8 plus 1, 9, and 9 to power 3 by 2. So I'm writing here 9 to power 3 by 2, minus sign. When I put 0 here, it goes away. So 1 left, 1 to power 3 by 2. I'm writing here, and you know 1. So similar manner, I can talk about there. So 1 over 6. When I put 2 in the place of here, it comes 8. So I can write it as 8 by 6 even. 8 by 6. And when I put 2 here, you get only 2. So 8 by 2 plus is called upper value. Now lower and then bracket close. So when I put 0 here and put 0 here, so both are zeros coming. So here we have no issue at all. Okay, 0 plus 0. I think all understanding easy. So 9 to power 3, it is coming 27. 3 by 2, so 9 to power 3 by 2 is 27. And 27 minus become 26, 26 by 6. And what here? So you check it, 8 divided by 6 and plus 2. So it is giving 10 by 3. So I think I can write directly 10 by 3. Okay. So now just simplify 26 divided by 6 and minus 10 divided by 3. So simply you can type in calculator. It is giving you area is equals to 1. So 1 unit square is our final answer. I hope so concept is very, very clear.